Oh, look around for that chance. Cause there was like, don't just plans.
When did you decide that you wanted to be involved in music?
Well, from really early, like primary school times, when I used to just sing, perform with my friends, to go places and stuff. And then I started to do some talent shows, but I really told my mum that from then I knew I wanted to be a performer.
Free the people of the world, and every boy and every girl. Make us see a better day, and take the sorrows away.
And since Early Bird last spoke to you, what's happened?
Well, I promoted my first single, Africa. And then I went to the studio and did Free the People, signed a contract with EMI. And basically, I'm just promoting my second single.
Do you think there are any major advantages in being so young in the music business?
Yeah, having money to spend. Because I can remember when I never had hardly any money to buy what I wanted with, and you get pocket money, but it doesn't really do that much. And so, like, the money is the major thing, where when you get it, you can buy clothes that you wanted from time, trainers, everything, and you can have the in-thing things, and you can go places as well.
So what's your biggest ambition?
Well, I keep telling everybody this, and I definitely want to do it, is to one day have my own record company and be an artist on my label.
Hopefully sign up some new young artists when you're older.
Yeah, that's the sort of thing I like to do, because there's a lot of young talent out there.
The lyrics on my mind, I'll focus the chip. Give me if I really want to. I won't follow your example. My beats are dope. My people don't give up hope. Keep on. Find our minds and together we're strong. Not taking the crap. It's done before. We had enough. No more. In a perfect world. You see the day when they leave and be on their way.
Are the other kids at school jealous of what you're doing?
They're quite supportive, really, which helps me. If they were jealous, I would lose a lot of friends that way.
Free the people of the world. You got to free